Here's how you can use music from popular artists with our latest TubeBuddy member perk. Hello TubeBuddies! When it comes to music on YouTube, there are some great options out there for royalty-free music. However, what if you want to use a song by a popular artist? Doing so without the correct licensing and song rights is pretty much impossible. Luckily, that's where our latest member perk deal with LICKD comes in. LICKD is a digital platform helping you legally use popular music. LICKD provides commercial music from real labels for your YouTube videos. With LICKD, you don't have to fear losing your ad revenue to a copyright claim. We at TubeBuddy want to give you the best options when it comes to music. And with the ability to license music from popular artists, what LICKD offers is amazing. In fact, the background music in this video is provided by LICKD. Now, you might be thinking, alright Andrew, this sounds great and all, but what's the catch? There is none. You pay for the license and you get to use the song one time on YouTube. It's that simple. If you have any questions about how LICKD does this, then we recommend checking out their FAQ, which we will have linked in this video's description. Their FAQ answers a lot of questions, such as, can I still monetize my YouTube video if I use music from LICKD? The answer, of course, being yes. LICKD has a great FAQ that answers a lot of questions. And if you have any problems, their support makes it easy for you to get help. If you have any questions regarding LICKD, please ask them, not us here at TubeBuddy. Speaking of easy, we've made it easy for you to get this TubeBuddy member perk. On YouTube, click the TubeBuddy drop-down menu. Under the My Account section, you'll see our member perks. Click on the member perks, and you will see all of the great perks you get with a paid TubeBuddy license. We're gonna head over to the LICKD member perk. Once you do that, all you need to do is sign up for LICKD through TubeBuddy, and you will get 15% off any of the songs you license from LICKD automatically applied when you check out. Once you've done that, you get your discounted rate for single-use licensing from LICKD, which again, is one of the only ways to use music from popular artists legally in your videos. Once your account is linked, you can start browsing the LICKD website. You can search for music by looking at the homepage, which shows a variety of song choices. The main page has numerous carousels they change out and update. Things like Just Added, stuff on LICKD's radar, and some instrumental-only options. Just Added is a great place to find out what's new and popular. Or you can also scroll up and click Get Started, or at the top section, select Browse or Search. Browse is really great. It offers multiple types of ways to get music. We'll select playlists. LICKD told us that this is one of their users' favorite ways to find music. Any of these options will do when it comes to finding music. Now, let's go ahead and select Search. Once Search loads, you can type in an artist or filter down the results to your liking. For song properties, we're gonna leave it unselected. We're gonna order by most relevant to see what LICKD thinks makes the most sense for our selections. Then for mood, I want a wide variety of options, so I'll leave that blank too. Under that is the theme of our video. Since we're doing a tutorial, we're gonna choose How To and Style, which is the default category from YouTube. All of these are based on YouTube's own categories. Notice as I select a track, the recommendations change. It will keep doing this until we find the music that best fits our videos. Next we'll choose the genre as house, since we usually use house type music in our videos. We'll make the length at the max of about 7 minutes, since the TubeBuddy videos tend to be short. Then for tempo, we'll set it to medium to match how I speak. Also, if you're doing a sponsored video, you can select that option and it will show you songs that are allowed to be used in a brand sponsored video. Since the video we'll be using the song in isn't sponsored, we'll leave this unselected. Finally, you can choose your targeted social media platform. Then, all you have to do is listen to the music and find out what works best for your videos. It's important to note that we're only focusing on YouTube. Be sure to check out the FAQ when it comes to using music on other social media platforms. This is how we found the song we used. LICKD wanted us to let you know 90 to 95% of the songs used are just fine to go ahead and license for single-use upload. But songs from UMG, like this instrumental here from XXXTentacion, will have a claim appear. To fix the claim, just message LICKD support and they will manually clear it. This is because Universal Music Group wants to manually clear all videos. So, be sure to make the video unlisted first and get this done. Again, this is a great service from LICKD and we can't wait to use it more moving forward. All links can be found in the video description down below. And be sure to reach out to LICKD if you have any questions. I'm Andrew Camp from TubeBuddy, and thank you all so much for watching.